Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about ChatGPT and how to use it to make some serious money with your ads. We're diving deep into 7 insane ChatGPT hacks that are going to change the way you think about advertising. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these hacks are going to blow your mind. So, are you ready to turn ChatGPT into your personal money-making machine? Hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and get ready to take some notes because things are about to get wild. Alright, before we unleash the hacks, let's talk about why ChatGPT is a total game changer for anyone who writes ads. I mean, this thing is like having a whole team of copywriting geniuses locked and loaded, ready to work for you 24/7. First off, speed. We all know time is money, right? ChatGPT can churn out ad copy ideas faster than you can say conversion rate. Seriously, it's like having a superpowered brainstorming buddy who never sleeps. But it's not just about speed, it's about quality too. ChatGPT can whip up different versions of your ad copy in seconds, each with its own unique flavor. Want something bold and attention-grabbing? Done. Need something more subtle and sophisticated? ChatGPT's got you covered. And the best part? ChatGPT is a learning machine. Feed it some info about your target audience and watch it adapt its writing style to speak directly to their hearts and wallets. We're talking about crafting ads that are so laser-focused on your ideal customer that they practically click themselves. It's like having a mind-reading robot that knows exactly what your audience wants to hear. And that, my friends, is the power of ChatGPT. Let's kick things off with a classic, the AIDA framework. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, frameworks sound boring. But trust me, this one is the backbone of countless successful ad campaigns. And with ChatGPT, it's about to become your secret weapon. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. It's like a roadmap for guiding your audience from, wait, what's that? To shut up and take my money. First up, grab their attention. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm headlines that are impossible to ignore. Think bold statements, intriguing questions, or even a touch of humor. Remember, you've got just a few seconds to make a first impression. Next, pique their interest. Now that you've got them hooked, reel them in with ChatGPT-generated copy that highlights the benefits of your product or service. Focus on how it solves their problems or makes their lives better. Now it's time to create desire. ChatGPT can help you tap into those emotional triggers that make people crave what you're selling. Think about the feelings your product evokes: happiness, security, excitement, and let ChatGPT weave those emotions into your copy. Finally, seal the deal with a clear call to action. Tell them exactly what you want them to do. Visit your website, make a purchase, sign up for a free trial, and there you have it, the AIDA framework powered by ChatGPT. All right, let's get personal. This next hack is all about understanding your audience on a deeper level. I'm talking about creating a buyer persona, a fictional representation of your ideal customer. Now, you might be thinking, Mr. Beast, I don't have time for fictional characters. But trust me, this is going to save you time and headaches in the long run. Because when you know who you're talking to, you can write copy that resonates. Here's where ChatGPT comes in. Feed it some information about your target audience, their demographics, interests, pain points, and watch it generate a detailed buyer persona before your eyes. It's like having a private investigator for your customers. Once you have your persona, give them a name, a face, a story. Imagine them scrolling through their feed. What catches their eye? What are their hopes, dreams, and frustrations? Now, here's the key. Write your ad copy as if you're speaking directly to that one person. Use the language they use, address their specific pain points, and offer them solutions that resonate with their needs. By humanizing your audience, you create a connection that goes beyond just selling a product or service. So, let ChatGPT help you get personal and watch your conversions soar. Okay, let's talk about one of the most powerful features of ChatGPT, the ability to test multiple variations of your ad copy in seconds. This is like having a time machine for your marketing campaigns. Think about it. In the past, you'd have to create multiple versions of your ad, run A/B tests, wait for results, and then tweak and repeat. It was a time-consuming process. But with ChatGPT, you can speed things up exponentially. Let me show you how it works. Let's say you're writing a Facebook ad for your new line of athletic wear. You've got your headline, your body copy, and your call to action. Now, instead of just going with one option, ask ChatGPT to generate several variations of each element. Want to try different headlines? Boom! ChatGPT will give you a list of options that are more attention-grabbing than a stack of $100 bills. Need some fresh ideas for your body copy? No problem. ChatGPT will hit you with a variety of angles, tones, and styles. The beauty of this is that you can quickly see what resonates with your audience. It's like having a team of copywriters working tirelessly to find the perfect combination of words that converts like crazy. So, ditch the old-school A/B testing methods and let ChatGPT be your personal copywriting testing lab. All right, let's get real for a second. People make decisions based on emotions, not logic. We like to think we're rational beings, but the truth is, our hearts often lead the way, especially when it comes to spending our hard-earned cash. That's where emotional triggers come in. These are powerful psychological cues that tap into our deepest desires, fears, and aspirations. And with ChatGPT, you can wield these triggers like a marketing Jedi master. Here's the deal. Every product or service evokes some kind of emotion. Think about it. Happiness, excitement, security, fear of missing out, FOMO. The list goes on. Your job is to identify the emotions that are most relevant to your target audience and then use ChatGPT to weave those emotions into your ad copy. Let's say you're selling a home security system. Instead of just listing features and benefits, use ChatGPT to craft copy that taps into people's fear of the unknown. Talk about the peace of mind that comes with knowing their loved ones are protected. Paint a picture of security and comfort. Or maybe you're promoting a new fitness program. Instead of focusing on weight loss, use ChatGPT to tap into people's desire for confidence and self-improvement. Talk about the feeling of accomplishment that comes with crushing your fitness goals. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy emotions. Let's talk about two of the most important elements of any ad: the headline and the call to action. These are the make or break moments that determine whether someone keeps scrolling or stops to learn more. Think of your headline as the ultimate attention grabber. It's like the first impression of your ad, and you've got just a few words to make it count. Your headline needs to be clear, concise, and impossible to ignore. Now here's where ChatGPT comes in. Feed it some information about your product or service, your target audience, and the key benefits you want to highlight. Then, watch it generate a list of headlines that are more captivating than a room full of puppies. Experiment with different lengths, different styles, and different emotional triggers. Try using numbers, asking questions, or creating a sense of urgency. The goal is to find a headline that stops people in their tracks and makes them want to learn more. Once you've hooked them with your headline, it's time to reel them in with a clear and compelling call to action, CTA. This is where you tell people exactly what you want them to do. Visit your website, make a purchase, sign up for a free trial, etc. Make it crystal clear what people will gain by clicking that button or visiting that link. All right, let's talk about something that's often overlooked in the world of ad copywriting: tone and style. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Your brand's voice should be as unique as your fingerprint. Think about it. Are you playful and irreverent like Old Spice? Or maybe you're sophisticated and elegant like Apple? Whatever your brand personality, ChatGPT can help you capture it in your ad copy. Here's the key. Be specific with your prompts. Don't just tell ChatGPT to write ad copy. Tell it what kind of tone and style you're going for. Do you want it to be humorous, informative, or inspirational? Do you want it to sound like it's coming from a friend, an expert, or a celebrity? The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can tailor its writing to match your brand's voice. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to branding. So let ChatGPT help you fine-tune your tone and style and watch your brand's personality shine through in every word you write. And there you have it, 7 crazy hacks to get perfect ad copy using ChatGPT. From frameworks to emotional triggers, these tips will save you time and elevate your advertising game. Try these hacks and let us know your favorite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.